In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Paint Free on Windows 11 or 10. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight in. Alright guys, there's a couple of different ways to install Paint 3D. The first method is to go to your web browser, go to Google and type in Paint 3D, and then click on the link from Microsoft.com. So I'll go ahead and do that now. And now what you want to do is click on download here and let that download and follow the installation process. So I'm going to click on download and you see it's downloading in the back. So I'm going to click on Paint 3D installer.exe. Alright, so now it's starting to download Paint 3D to my PC, and then we can continue on with the installation process. So I'll just minimize this screen here. Alright, I'm going to pause this video and get back to you once this is done. Alright, it's downloaded. Now it's going to install. And here you go. Paint 3D has been installed on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. The other way to do it is to go to your Microsoft Store and search for Paint 3D here. And then there it is there, Paint 3D. I'm going to click onto it. And because I've already installed it, I'm going to go ahead and click on open, and that will open. So yeah, a couple of ways to how to download and install Paint 3D on your PC.